Ideally suited to the stringent needs of biopharmaceutical cleanrooms, MasterMover Stainless Steel electric tugs improve safety and unlock greater flexibility for manufacturers. Whether it's in the movement of bioprocess totes or the positioning of chromatography columns, secure coupling systems guarantee total load security and ensure safe and controlled movement. Eliminate manual handling and empower your people to precisely maneuver heavy process equipment, reducing the risk of damage and collisions. Compact yet powerful, electric tugs deliver outstanding maneuverability and positioning, perfect for use in tight spaces. Benefit from added flexibility, enabling you to easily reconfigure suite layouts and process trains. Electric tugs help drive operational efficiency, allowing your people to focus on higher value tasks and reduce lab suite changeover times. Protect your people, work safely and drive efficiency with the MasterMover Stainless Steel range of electric tugs.